My name is Jackson Barriger. Today we'll be presenting on the first and second floor lighting calculations, the first and second floor circuiting and control, the outdoor luminaires layout, the outdoor lighting calculation, the outdoor circuiting and control, luminaire schedule, lighting panel schedule, and some of the cut sheets, and also, as Dustin mentioned, the energy code calculations. As for my portion of it, I'll just be covering the first and second floor lighting calculations, the outside lighting layout, the lighting calculations, and both the indoor and outdoor energy code calculations. This is, for the lighting calculations, we use the visual lighting software. All in all, it's a pretty simple software to use. It's just, you would select the room size that you want, you would draw the calculation zone, pick the type of fixtures, and draw, like as I said, the calculation zone, and it would hit the calculate button, and it would come up with all the Footcandle calculations. It would give you the average, the maximum, all that. And here is the statistics for all the first floor rooms. We after you hit the calculation button, it shows, as I mentioned, the average, the maximum, the minimum, the maximum to minimum ratio, and the average to minimum ratio. Just an example of that would be the our generator room. Came out to have an average foot candle measurement of 30.9, maximum of 38.7, and a minimum of 15.5. Second floor, basically same way to calculate all the rooms. It was pretty similar to how we did the first floor. And once again, here's the statistics for that second floor. We have, I'm sorry, for the conference room, an example of that for the second floor would be the conference room. We had an average foot candle of 63.6, the maximum of 77.1, and a minimum of 46.3 foot candles for that particular room. For our outdoor lights, here's the layout for how we decided to lay out our parking lot lights and our building lighting. For the, as you see, the C-type fixtures up there are 35-watt LED wall packs that are controlled by a timer inside the building. The A fixtures are 75-watt single LED parking lot lights, and the B are 75-watt twin parking lot lights. Here is that same picture with the Footcandle calculations. It's done, as I said before, for the second floor in a pretty similar way to the first and second floor. Here are the statistics for that. We have the building lights came out to be an average of 2.1 foot candles and a maximum of 10.5 with a minimum of 0.2. The parking lot lights came out to be an average of 3.8 foot candles with a maximum of 11.9. For the energy code calculation, we use the ComCheck software. It's just a screenshot of the main screen that you get. You first have to enter in the area category. For example, the first one there, you would enter the generator room. You would enter it as manufacturing equipment room. And then we measured the square footage at 1,755. And here's just the rest of our rooms that we did. You have to break down for each individual room. And we came out to have 22 different rooms on the first and second floor. Once you're done with that, it will take you to this screen where you have to enter in the type of fixtures. And you have to enter in the type of fixture, the ballast type, lamps per fixture, and the number of fixtures for each particular room. For example, the generator room I mentioned earlier, we use a 54-watt, 46-inch T5 HO fixture with electronic ballast, and there are 18 of those located in that particular generator room. Here's just the rest of our rooms with the type of fixtures that we put in. Once you're done with all that, you move to the exterior lights. We just had just the one type for we use the same for all the parking lot lights. And and that was a 75-watt LED, and there have to be 23 of those fixtures in the parking lot. Once you're done with that, you comes up with a calculation here, and it tells you whether you are above code or below. And we came out for our particular lighting to be plus 39% on our interior lights and plus 73% on our exterior. That being said, I'll hand it over to my partner, Will.
Hi, it's Jackson and Dustin Stater. My name is William DiGio. I'll be going over lighting first, second floor, luminaire schedule, and cut sheets. So this is just a portion of one of our rooms of the first floor lighting. This just shows kind of how we circuit them. We were using 2x4 LED style fixtures here, and we had anywhere from about 12 to 20 per actual panel per circuit breaker. We use switches for pretty much all the controls. The bathrooms, we did put some occupancy sensors in there. Same exact idea here, but this is the second floor. This shows more how we're circuiting to the switch through Revit. Again, same style 2x4 fixtures. Here's the outside. Jackson kind of went over some of this, the outdoor side. But here we had to run underground PVC with wire inside for running all our cable to our outdoor lights. Circuit control on all those, like Jackson, was on timers. This is our schedule showing the different type of lights we used on the first floor. Pretty standard 2x4, 2x2, and then 4-inch regular bulbs as well. They are all LEDs, so they're a little bit more efficient when it comes to the cost and energy use. Same idea here on the second floor. On the second floor we use 6-inch LEDs and also 2x4 50-watt LEDs. The 6-inch ones were 32 watts. Outdoor, we use 3 different light styles. Single 15 individual single 75-watt styles, which would be on the bottom there. We used also 4 double heads for the parking lot and 12 wall pack units. This is our lighting panel schedule. It's rated at 200 amps, and we have anywhere from about 12 to 20 per circuit breaker on there, depending on their style. These are some of the cut sheets. I didn't do every single light we used because we used quite a few different varieties, but just to give you an idea, this 2x2 LED gives you about 50,000 hours, which actually comes out to be about 6 years lifespan at 100% use. So say you're using 50%, you're looking at about 11 years use, so a lot longer lifespan versus standard fluorescent bulbs. Same exact concept with the 2x4, again 50,000 hours and about 50 watts on those. This is the 4-inch LED fixture we used. Same idea as far as the time frame goes and how long it will last. This one, what I thought was kind of cool too, is you could adjust the actual light fixture without any tools after you installed it. This is what we use on our manufacturing floor to light the manufacturing area. They're 1800 lumens, and they give you a little bit longer lifespan, about 7 years on those at 100% use. And then this is one of our outdoor lights. This is just a standard single one. Again, 60,000 hours of life and about 75 watts. Any questions? Yes.
How did you pick the Footcandle levels to design to in the different areas?
Was it pretty simple?
Yeah, once you entered in the type of room, the visual program would tell you the level for that particular type of room.
Oh.
Anything else?
For the parking lot lighting circuiting, do you have to do any voltage drop calculations for the size of the circuits?
For voltage drop, we didn't have to.
So it's long enough?
No, not to just bank.
All right, thank you.